Ang second point ko, Maris, if you're watching, doon sa yung statement, okay na sana ako, I really thought it was a heartfelt statement and I felt you. Naramdaman kita. And this is probably one of your lowest points and somehow you're a friend and I really wish you the best. May isa lang sabit sa akin, may isang butas lang doon sa statement. Nung sinabi mo wala kang kaalam-alam, meron kayong exchange ng text messages ni Anthony na delete tayo. Can you delete screenshots and messages? Sagot ni Anthony, alam mo, hindi pa naman ako nag-delete. This is paraphrasing it. Pero gets mo kung bakit kailangan natin mag-delete. And then there was a line in that conversation that said, someday, hindi tayo kinakailangan mag-delete. Hindi tayo kinakailangan magtago. So, to say that you didn't have any knowledge that they were still together, medyo question ko as an audience, as a commentator. Yun lamang po. Ang second point ko, Maris, if you
Samantala Manay Lolet Solis, sumangsaw na din sa Maris Anthony Jam issue. Inilahad ng veteran columnist at manager na si Lolet Solis sa kanyang Instagram ang kanyang opinyon kaugnay sa cheating issue ni na Maris Racal at Anthony Jennings. Ibinahagi din niya ang kanyang pananaw kung paano dapat kumilos ang isang ex. No looking back, dapat pag ex ka na, move on ka na. Narito ang komento. Gusto ko makisawsaw sa nangyayari ngayon kay Maris Racal, nagtataka ako bakit siya affected sa issue. Actually siya ang bongga dahil parang precious gem siya na pinag-aagawan, saka basta naniniwala ka na tama ang ginagawa mo, panindigan mo, kung meron kang mali ikaw lang ang pwedeng magtama nito, walang pakialam ang iba, hayaan mo ang pagrarant ng ex dahil past na siya sa story mo. Feeling bitter lang ang pwede sabihin ng isang ex, dapat tumahimik na dahil wala na siya sa istorya no, looking back dapat ang mantra mo pag ex ka na, move on na, nakakawala ng pride yun, wala ka na sa eksena, sumali ka pa. Hindi siya bongga diba, move on na.
Breakup with Rico Blanco, denies Anthony Jennings' involvement. Maris Racal recently confirmed her breakup with Rico Blanco, emphasizing that her on-screen partner, Anthony Jennings, had nothing to do with their split. At the Star Magic press conference on July 12, 2024, Maris shared the sad news about the end of her 5-year relationship with Rico. She addressed the public speculation and clarified that Anthony was not a factor in their breakup. Anthony is out of the picture. It's just mainly me and Rico. Mainly me. I'm the issue, Maris stated. How will Maris' clarification affect public perception of her and Anthony's professional relationship? Maris and Anthony first teamed up in the Capamilious series, Can't Buy Me Love, where their chemistry won the hearts of fans and led to numerous projects together.
I told Anthony that I broke up with my ex. And he also said the same thing. I was working every day at sa lahat ng trabaho na yun kasama ko si Anthony. Aaminin ko, sa araw-araw na pagtatrabaho namin, nahulog din yung loob ko. He would be very sweet to me. He would be such a gentleman to him. And then the first wave of fashion on TikTok, I begged him to fix this because I was so tired of getting back. I'm truly embarrassed. Then I read it. It was the perfect narrative. Other woman that there was this apologetic boyfriend and the avoidant boyfriend towards the other woman and the scorned woman.